How to track invoices plus payment as a VA. Hi, this is Angel, the VA mom of 3 littles living in Panabal, coming from General Santos. How to track invoices and payments as a VA. Depende talaga yan sa client mo kung paano mo ita-track yung invoices plus payments. Usually kasi ngayon, meron ng mga time tracker. Yun ang ginagamit para ma-track yung time mo. You can just click log in and then log out. And automatic na siya mag-compute kung ilang hours yung na-work mo. And then, ilalagay lang doon kung magkano yung rate mo per hour. So, automatic na, they will see doon mismo, like sa Hubstaff app yung ginagamit namin. They will automatically see kung ilan hours na, and then they can pay you there as well. Ilalagay mo lang yung either PayPal email address mo or Wise or bank details. Meron din namang ibang client na hindi naman ganun nagta-time track. They just want you to use like Google Sheet para lang kita yung time sheet mo, and then ito total mo lang yung ilang hours na yon. And then after that, kung magkano yung napag-usapan yung rate, they will either pay you through PayPal, ganun pa rin, PayPal, or through Wise. From Wise, ita-transfer na lang sa personal bank mo. Ito yung pinakamadaling magawa ng invoice. Punta ka sa PayPal, create an invoice, and then i-edit mo lang yung invoice number, how much is the total cost. So, pwede mo ilagay dyan siguro ang quantity is how many hours, tapos yung unit price or hourly rate. Tapos yan, invoice number, invoice date, due on receipt ba ng client, or on no due date ba, or kung ilang days ba on due na bayaran ka ng client. Ayan, click mo yung drop down menu for the customer name, or create ka ng new customer, lagay mo kung anong name ng client mo, email address, item name, pwede mo lagay virtual assistant services, notes and attachments, siguro kung other additional notes. And then, isend mo lang siya. You can share the link to the invoice. Or pwede mo rin siya i-download as PDF at isend mo na siya sa client mo. So, with that, they can pay you via PayPal. For more VA tips, mom life, or family life, and product finds, follow VA Mom of 3 Littles on all our socials. See ya!